In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to your Wix website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. Connecting Printful to your Wix website is an effective way to streamline your e-commerce operations. Printful is a print-on-demand service that allows you to customize and sell your products without the hassle of inventory. Once you've got it linked to your Wix site, you'll be ready to start selling. First, you'll want to open Printful and sign in to your account. This is the very first step, so go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll see a navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Look for the option that says Stores and click on it. After you click on Stores, you will find an option that says Add Store. Go ahead and click that button as well. Next, you will see a list of platforms you can connect to, and you'll want to select Wix from that list. This is where it gets exciting. Click on Connect to start the linking process. At this point, a new browser page will open prompting you to sign into your Wix account. If you're already signed into Wix, you may just need to verify your account. If not, provide your Wix login credentials to access your account. Once inside your Wix dashboard, the next step is to choose the specific Wix website you want to connect to Printful. This option is crucial if you manage multiple sites, so make sure to select the one where you plan to sell your Printful products. After you've selected your website, you'll need to review the permissions that Printful is requesting. This is an important step, as it ensures Printful has the access it needs to function correctly with your Wix store. You want to make sure you're comfortable with the permissions being requested. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Allow or Approve. This action grants Printful the access it needs to manage products and orders for your Wix store. Now, let's take a moment to revisit Printful. You can return to the Printful interface and go back to the Stores section by clicking the Stores tab again. This is where you'll confirm that your Wix store appears in the list. If you see it there, congratulations! Your Wix website is now successfully connected to Printful. But we're not done just yet. To ensure everything is set up correctly, you might want to perform a quick check. Go into your Wix website and navigate to the product pages or the area where your Printful products should appear. Make sure everything looks the way you expect it to. You can even create a test product in Printful and see if it shows up in your Wix store. As a next step, think about how you want to market your products. Consider elements like your website's design and how you present your offerings. Strong visuals and clear descriptions can make a big difference in conversions. You might also want to explore the various integrations available within Wix to further customize your selling experience. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Printful to your Wix website. Now you can focus on creating amazing products and offering them to your audience. With this powerful integration, you'll be able to add a whole new dimension to your online business, making it easier for customers to explore and purchase your custom creations. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. I appreciate you being here today, and I hope you set off on a successful journey with your Printful and Wix integration. Happy selling!